Bitcoin has dropped significantly over the last few days, and the only reason investors would be worried is if they've taken too much leverage, because I personally have been accumulating a lot of Bitcoin and a lot of my crypto positions over the last few days when we've seen market prices drop. And like I said over on Twitter, if you were bullish on Bitcoin at $73,000 per coin, you should be buying it at $65,000 per coin. Nothing has changed fundamentally with Bitcoin in the last few days, other than its price has dropped a little bit. But other thing going on is that really the only reason people would be worried about crypto, the only reason people are stressing and checking their wallets is if you use too much leverage. Because right now, there's nothing to be worried about, in my opinion, with Bitcoin. There's actually a few positive catalysts that are happening right now that have made me want to accumulate more. First of which is that we have seen, in terms of the Bitcoin halving is coming up in 15 days, 17 hours, and 40 minutes. This is an approximate. It's going to take place around April 19th to April 20th. And if you're looking at Bitcoin, it has never in its entire history had its bull market high before the Bitcoin halving. So what I'm saying by this is that Bitcoin in every single market cycle, no matter what's happened, has always seen its bull market high after the Bitcoin halving. Yes, this year is different. We've seen a lot of unusual things take place. We had never seen an all-time high reached before Bitcoin halving, but that happened. But either way, historically, we have never in its entire history of Bitcoin seen the all-time high for Bitcoin's price during a particular bull market take place before the Bitcoin halving. So that would show you right here, this makes me very bullish on that, because we're seeing that Bitcoin halving is still 15 days away. That's going to reduce the supply that's being mined. That's going to make things much more bullish long term. In addition to this, we've also seen recently in terms of Bitcoin, I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Monitok. Monitok is the first of its kind self-custodial exchange combining the best of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. It has the simplicity and ease to use inspired by a centralized exchange and security and transparency inspired by a decentralized exchange. So ultimately, what I like most about Monitok is that it has self-custodial wallet with account abstraction. It has the best trading prices sourced across 100 different decentralized exchanges. It has a multi-protocol approach. It has a one-stop shop crypto platform with vast amount of trading opportunities. And it has hundreds of different cryptocurrencies available to trade on its platform. So not only this, but Monitok is also set to launch their very own native ecosystem token, symbol MNT. This token is designed to be an integral part of the Monitok ecosystem to unlock rewards for engagement, exclusive features, and benefits for its users. So right now, if you go ahead and join the waitlist, you'll be eligible for a $100,000 MNT airdrop. So all you have to do is go to the website, click on join waitlist, put in your country and email address, then you go ahead and refer your friends to move up the waitlist and gain early access to their self-custodial exchange, along with that large pool of rewards. So this platform is definitely worth checking out, and not only does it have all of these amazing opportunities in terms of trading in its actual platform, but also if you get in now, they have this massive $100,000 MNT token airdrop. Anyways, let's get back to the program. ProShares launched new ETFs offering 2x leverage and 2x short for Bitcoin exposure. And this makes me, again, very, very bullish on Bitcoin, because ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, symbol BITU, is the first ETF to target 2x daily Bitcoin returns. Their ProShares Ultra Short Bitcoin ETF, symbol SBIT, is the first ETF to target minus 2x daily returns. And these are going to make it easier for retail investors and major institutions to take a bit of more of a stake on Bitcoin's direction, because a lot of people have very strong opinions of Bitcoin. Some people are very bearish, some people are very bullish. And with this new investment product, it's going to allow many of these investors to have that leveraged approach to investing in Bitcoin, whether it's for longing it or shorting it. And this is something that is extremely bullish in my opinion, because it's going to help attract billions and billions more dollars into crypto because of these different ETF offerings. Third thing that's happening with Bitcoin right now is that we're also seeing in terms of the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. I talked about this in many of our past videos, but I had said, look, extreme greed is historically a good time to sell, regardless of where you are in the bull market cycle or a bear market. Extreme greed and extreme fear are good opportunities. Extreme greed is good for selling. Extreme fear is good for buying. That's historically been a very profitable strategy. If you look at the entire history of Bitcoin, if you had always sold during extreme greed and you had always bought during extreme fear, well, you'd be in a pretty good position. So that was one of the many reasons why I was expecting a bit of a pullback. When you looked at technicals, I'd said, look, there's a few things going on right now. We've seen this massive rally. It's okay for us to see a bit of a short-term correction before rallying higher, and that's exactly what happened there. So again, I'm expecting a bit more accumulation to happen. Some of these people who had leverage plays have been shaken out, and now we're going to see Bitcoin continue to rally higher. Last thing I do want to go over with Bitcoin is going to be in terms of Google Trends. If you look at Google Trends for Bitcoin on the 12-month chart, but more realistically, the 5-year chart, you can see that Bitcoin is nowhere near seeing that massive level of retail investor interest. Every single bull market cycle in the past, you see this massive spike in Bitcoin and search interest on Google. It reaches, new all-time highs basically every market cycle. And yes, we had a bit of a spike in March for Bitcoin being searched on Google. But we're still nowhere even near those highs that we saw back in 2021. So that just shows me that, yes, we saw a little bit of interest here as retail investors, people were talking to their friends about Bitcoin, more people were getting involved. Like, that was when we saw that happen. But now I'm expecting this to, again, go higher and see more and more people get into Bitcoin as we start seeing, new record highs being broken and more retail investors talking about it. Because every single market cycle, when you see someone searching about Bitcoin or any crypto token in particular, that's usually a really good sign, usually means and leads to higher prices. Like, this is just an interest over time chart, but it pretty much mimics the price of Bitcoin as well. Now let's talk about some of our recent investments, because recently I've talked about how I am personally invested in Zkasino. And the thing about Zkasino that came out recently is that they have almost surpassed 10,000 Ethereum that has been put onto their bridge. You can see right now it's over $30 million in TVL on their bridge. And me personally, I have right around 40 Ethereum that is being that is put onto the bridge. And you can see that right here. In terms of this, there's 11 days, 19 hours, right around there left in terms of the Zkasino bridge to earn mechanism. So I have around 40 ETH. I've earned right around 4.4 million Zkasino tokens. And the thing that I like about this is that this has been a project that is completely revolutionizing the crypto space. Their testnet is officially ready. This has been developed in the last few days. They're ready to deploy, gaming, decentralized applications, and they are able to do this and excited about this because of the extremely low fees. In addition to this, they've talked about meme coins and grants in their program. They say, look, their testnet's ready to use, and things that they're going to be looking to hand out grants for with their $40 million grant program is a massive Powerball style lottery, 1,000x perpetual futures trading, Texas Hold'em poker, something similar to Pump.Fun, which is instantly deploying meme coins, and all these other things. And lastly, with Zkasino, it's going to be meme coins, because on the surface, they say trading meme coins seems harmless, playful activity, but they explain why with their testnet being launched and with them going forward, why right now, Solana and Base are clear winners for meme coins because of instant transactions, insanely low gas fees. But they say Zkasino aims to become the go-to chain for trading meme coins by offering innovative incentives and grants to both traders and developers. Gas fees are extremely, extremely low. And they're saying, look, native account abstraction is something that is completely unique on Zkasino versus other blockchains out there. They're saying, look, most chains don't offer this, and ultimately with native account abstraction, it smooths over trading experiences by limiting the need for constant confirmations for each transaction on your wallet. So if you've ever gone ahead and bought something like a meme coin, you're constantly having to confirm transactions in your MetaMask wallet or confirm transaction in your Phantom wallet, and that's not the case with Zkasino. So with all of these things with Zkasino, it makes me extremely bullish on this project, and a lot of people have questioned how they could be handing out these Zcast tokens. What's going on there? But it's their simple bridge to earn model, and if you are worried about it at all, you can simply look on their docs, click on docs, you can see exactly where all of the Ethereum is being stored. It's controlled by a 3-4 multi-sig wallet. You can see it all right here. Can't be touched, and really once this time limit is up, you're simply going to be getting your Zcast tokens and you're going to be getting your Ethereum back. That's how a bridge actually works. So extremely bullish on this project, and it is going to be launching in the next few weeks. So like I said, I do have my tokens bridged, and pretty excited about this one. And last one is going to be with Gull Network. Gull Network has seen a massive explosion in terms of its TVL as well. This is a basically a meme coin project where you can see the total value locked for Gull Network is $3.3 million. And if you're looking over on their Twitter, they've gotten a ton of engagement because ultimately Gull Network offers a few different things: simplified DeFi integration, tokenization, and liquidity support, and Gull Wallet and nodes. And they've had a ton of supports from some of the biggest names in the crypto space, from Pentoshi to Crypto Jack to Crypto Poet, Ash Crypto, Ivan on Tech, Ren Nooner, Lark Davis. Many of the big names in crypto are excited about this project, and it's really because of what they're doing in the meme coin space. Right now, they have this staking pool where you can stake meme tokens to earn Gull. Their Gull token isn't live just yet, but you can see over $3.3 million has been staked here. You can see that also that in terms of the project, what they're planning on doing moving forward is allowing people to create tokens, customization features, liquidity to anywhere directly on Gull Dex, create your own personal reward pools, create your own vesting schedule for calls. They're allowing you to basically do all of this directly on their platform when competitors simply don't let you do this. So this is like an innovative meme project that isn't a meme coin in particular, but it is making it extremely easy for people to launch meme coins, for people to right now go ahead and stake their meme tokens to earn some Gull Network tokens. It's an extremely exciting platform that I'm very, very bullish on. So definitely worth checking out this one. This one is set to launch again in the next few weeks. It's called Gull Network. I am personally invested in it, so it's not live just yet, but something that I'm pretty excited about. I've put my money exactly where I'm talking, and that's something that I really like as well with this. So definitely worth checking out these projects, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.